In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags in Monday.com. Tags are simple labels you can add to items to group related work, filter views, and surface trends across projects. They're great for slicing your board by themes like priority, campaign, region, or any custom idea your team uses. Start on the Monday.com home screen after you've signed in. From the left sidebar, open your workspaces and pick the workspace that holds the board you want to organize. Open the board so you can see your items and columns. We'll add a dedicated tags column first so every item has a consistent place for its labels. At the far right of your columns, click the plus icon to add a new column. A panel will appear with different column types. In the search field, type tags to quickly find the right one. Select the option labeled tags. This creates a column specifically designed for reusable labels that work across boards in your account. Now add a tag to an item. Click into a cell within the new tags column for the row you want to label. A small tag picker opens. Start typing the word or phrase you want, like Q1, urgent, or design. As you type, you'll see any matching tags your account already uses. If you're introducing a new label and don't see a match, choose the option to create new tag. That saves it to your tag library, so teammates can reuse the exact same label later. Consistency is key here. Using one shared tag instead of multiple variations helps your filters and reports stay accurate. You can repeat that process for any row that needs a label. If an item belongs to multiple categories, you can add more than one tag to the same cell by selecting each tag in the picker. If you make a mistake, just remove a tag from the cell. It won't delete it from the library, only from that item. A few quick tips to keep things tidy. Decide on short, clear tag names your whole team understands and avoid near duplicates like marketing and MKTG for the same concept. If your organization already has naming conventions, stick to them here. Once your tags are in place, you'll be able to filter views, create save filters, and build dashboards that pull items together by tag, making status reviews and planning meetings much faster. That's it. You went from a plain board to a board that's easy to categorize and search simply by adding a tags column and applying labels to your items. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.